¿Cómo está?
इटालियन। वेल माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, दो इटालियन भाइयों ने मुंबई के फोर्ट एरिया में 20th सेंचुरी में केटरिंग यूनिट, एक बेकरी यूनिट सेट किया और
And from there till now, we are going to tell you the journey about Mongini's Cake Shop. So, but before that, don't forget to like,
share and subscribe. Mongini's on your way.
अरे, I've noticed अकेला अकेला eating
I love cakes. Cakes are my favorite. What is your favorite cake?
pineapple cake.
And you know what is my favorite cake? It's a cake what India loves. The cake that I love the most is the Black Forest cake. If it is a Black Forest cake and if it is pineapple, it is
Mongini's.
Well, my dear friends, Mongini's, the brand was started by two Italian brothers. दो Italian भाइयों ने ये brand को start किया था in the year 1902. But unfortunately,
They had to leave the country after the World War II, further selling it to Mr. Hussain Khurakiwala.
but the magic happened with the Khurakiwala family. They rose the outlets from 1, 2, 3 to over 1,000 outlets right now in India. पूरे भारतवर्ष में अब 1000+ outlets है Mongini's का. और कुछ facts हम आपको बताएंगे. The journey कैसे शुरुआत हुई Mongini's की. Here we go. Fact number 1.
Well, this is a multinational brand based in India and is served in countries like India and Egypt.
Oh wow! And fact number 2, it started off in Churchgate by two Italian brothers. और Churchgate में जब इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया तो इन्होंने एक केटरिंग सर्विस से स्टार्ट किया, एक बेकरी से स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ. जब इन्होंने 1902 में स्टार्ट किया, 1919 में एक पूरा बिल्डिंग लिया उन्होंने जो कि था द Mongini लिमिटेड. इट वॉज नॉट Mongini's बट था द Mongini लिमिटेड. और जो कि फर्स्ट फ्लोर था, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट, फर्स्ट फ्लोर जो उनका था वो एक बेकरी और कन्फेक्शनरी था और सेकंड फ्लोर जो था वाज फॉर रेंटिंग आउट फॉर पार्टीज, जैसे कि शादियाँ, छोटे बर्थडेज हुए, पार्टीज हुए, उन्होंने रेंट किया. और ये पूरा बिल्डिंग जो था वो था Mongini लिमिटेड इन द ईयर 1990. एंड फैक्ट नंबर 3.
Fact number 3. Mongini's was the first brand to introduce egg-based cakes in square and heart shapes.
Whoa, in square and heart shapes, and also the first one to put egg in their cake. Well, you know now why Mongini's is so special with fact number 4. When Mr. Hussain Khurakiwala ने जो ये business लिया, वहाँ से 1960s में उन्होंने फ्रेंचाइजी मॉडल स्टार्ट किया, because of which Mongini's became so popular. और अब ये जो कंपनी है makes over 800 crores of revenue feeding so many people in India and their families because their mission is go ahead and celebrate. But अब जो है ये इतने families को feed करता है and Mongini's has caught the heart of India with its delicacy, sweet pastries and savories.
Black Forest, Touch Truffle, Pineapple. Mongini's was the first brand to introduce these cakes in India.
I mean, imagine all these brands that we grew up with. Favorite cake जब हमारे बर्थडे में जब वो Black Forest आता था, फिर Black Forest you remember change to White Forest, फिर बाद में Pineapple, फिर Dutch Truffle, फिर Swiss Chocolate. इतने सारे brands को उन्होंने इंडिया में लॉन्च किए. If it wasn't for Mongini's, we would be unaware of these brands. And talking about the next fact, which is fact number 6, इतने सारे होम बेकर्स जो है आर इंस्पायर्ड बाय दिस ब्रांड. ये ब्रांड ने इतने होम बेकर्स को इंस्पायर किया, इतने सारे अलग स्टोर्स को इंस्पायर किया. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, दिस इज एट द ग्रास रूट ऑफ इंडियन लेवल एंड इट इज नाउ वन ऑफ द प्राउडेस्ट इंडियन ब्रांड्स दैट वी हैव.
Abner, do you know this brand has been pioneering new trends in the baking market? Do you remember the potato shells?
It was one of my favorite, the potato shells. It was this chota katti potato shells, but so yummy and tasty.
For me, it was love at first bite.
In fact, let me also tell you about Mongini's. Mongini's एक ऐसा ब्रांड है जो कि पोटैटो शेल्स ने बहुत सारी चीज़ों को उन्हें मार्केट में लाके इन्वेंट किया. In fact, it became such a bakery store. It started giving you chicken puffs, veg puffs, patties. आप बोलो, you know, croissants, donuts. It started giving you sliced cake, wafers, bread. name it, and it was there in Monginis because उनका एक मिशन था, we feed everyone with the best quality, and today also Monginis comes at a very affordable price when you look at their other food products like the patties, or you look at their pizza या burger, वो काफी affordable price में आता है. So that's why Monginis has stolen heart of many people. What about you? It has stolen your
It's stolen
heart?
my heart as well.
It's stolen my heart as well. But एक चीज मैं लोगों से कहना चाहता हूँ, there are so many home bakers, there are so many other brands in the market. They have all come now. But remember, when none of them were there was only one brand, and that brand was Monginis. Support brands like Monginis. We love you, Monginis. You say go ahead and celebrate. We'll go ahead and celebrate.
We should.
Yeah. We'll go ahead and celebrate. So before which you got to like, share, and subscribe and follow 30, 60, 90 because we love you. Mwah.